This video provides an overview of updates for the STAAR biology assessment. Most of the resources that we will use come from the TEA STAAR Science Resources page and can be found by expanding the tabs at the bottom of the page. Let's start with looking at the timeline for implementing the new science TEKS in the state assessment program. We are in the 25-26 school year, and so this year the STAAR will assess the full scope of the new TEKS, the TEKS that we are currently teaching. All of the questions have been written and field tested based only on the new TEKS. When we review the biology blueprint, we can see that there are now 4 strands. We can see how many questions will be provided from each strand, and then the total number of questions on the test will be between 33 and 35 questions. For the question types by point value, majority of the questions will be 1-point questions, but they can be multiple choice or non-multiple choice. And then some of the questions will be 2-point questions, all of which are non-multiple choice. This document is the assessed curriculum document, and these are all of the eligible TEKS that could be assessed on the biology STAAR exam. It also takes the TEKS and connects them with each of the strands and designates readiness and supporting. Our year at a glance document does something very similar. So we can see that the readiness standards assessed on STAAR are in green, and the supporting standards assessed on STAAR are in gold. Standards that are not assessed on STAAR are in black font. So we can see for the majority of our course, all of the standards are assessed. There are a couple of standards that are not assessed, but that does not change how we teach those standards. We need to remember that those standards can be foundational and support students' ability to understand and master the readiness and supporting standards that are assessed. Briefly, I just want to mention that students are given a calculator on the biology STAAR exam. I also want to point out that the short constructed response scoring guide from spring 2025 has been released. With this guide, you can review the short constructed response prompt that was given to students and how scores could have been earned, a 2, a 1, or a 0. And additionally, there are some sample student responses with the corresponding score.